Hey guys, Super Cine here. Welcome back to a video. We're going to be unboxing Autobot Dino from Transformers Dark of the Moon. So, we unboxed a Dark of the Moon figure a while back, which was Sentinel Prime, which I have used in some of my videos. But yeah, here we go. Here's Dino, also known as Mirage, which I literally just found out because the new Transformers movie is coming out, and that will actually be pretty cool. So here goes nothing. Alright, yeah. Sorry, a little struggle. Aha, there we go. Jeez. This box is difficult to open. Alright. Here we go. Oh, I have another backdrop like this from Crankcase and Crowbar. So, here's the figure. This is little blades on the side. It actually does look pretty cool. Now, let's open them. Oh, I didn't see the doors had one. Had little wires. Oh, jeez, that wire is really placed. Right. Okay, so here's the figure. Arms. They're a little tight because it's a brand new figure. His head only moves like up and down. It doesn't quite do the rotation, maybe because he still is a little, it's still a little stiff. Alright, so there we go. There's that. Alright. Time for me to get these blades out. What do you call these, really? Because they're not really scythes, because you can't, they're not like the scythe weapon, but I guess you could, no, I don't know what you call these. There's one, and oh, that one shot off. I guess there was two. Alright. I like to keep the boxes. Alright, continuing on. So the back, you can see like the engine parts right, or like the rear parts right there. His feet are actually pretty cool. I do like those. They go up and down. Oh, the legs move. That's pretty cool. Alright. So, one, and two. Alright. I guess I like spin. Alright. There it goes. I'm going to show you guys a quick video of Dino, well, his first appearance, and a few more scenes from Transformers Dark of the Moon of Dino. I should probably do this with the other Autobots and other Transformer figures I get. So, here you are. Hope you guys enjoyed those. I took out the instructions and closed up the box. So here are his instructions. Holy moly, those quite a bit. There are 27 steps. Alright. I didn't make a video about this one, but I bought Sideways 2 from Revenge of the Fallen. Still trying to figure out how to transform this one. Not really working very well for me, but yeah. Came in a smaller box. I think these are newer Studio Series ones, because they were pretty cheap. They were a little cheaper than the usual Studio Series, unless they just were putting down the prices. Alright, time to speed run this, I think. Alright, so after many failed attempts, I finally got it as just as I could. And I will admit, this actually looks really cool. Like, there. These front wheels aren't that. Oh wait, no, they're moving. Just only very little. Ah, there they are. Still a little tight though, because it's brand new. I did notice some things like right there. If you can see it, it's a little scuffed up. But I feel like that's part of the manufacturer's fault. Right, here's the bottom. Here's the back. But other than that, I feel like this is a really cool transformer compared, well, all the other ones are cool too, but this one as vehicle form, I will say, is pretty cool. Even though it's mainly just one color, it still is really cool. Yeah, you can even see through the windshield, which isn't really quite like that good. Like, you can still see through the windshield, which is kind of a little odd, but still, I think this looks really cool. Yeah, just have to like fix that later on, but yeah, I thought this was really cool. Autobot. So this is Dino from Dark of the Moon. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So I just talked about Dino, and I mentioned Sideways. I had to search up a video for this Decepticon because it was a little difficult, but I did it. So here's what he looks like. I would have done the unboxing on him too. Oops, didn't put that in. I would have done the unboxing too for him, but I felt like Dino would look cooler, but this one does look pretty cool. But yeah, I just wanted to return this back, and bye.